Hi everyone, it's Mari. I wanted to come on today and share with you the April main kit for the My Creative Scrapbook Kit Club. And a lot of the kit is the Gingham Gardens collection from My Mind's Eye. There's 8 patterned papers in the kit. And the first pattern paper I'm going to show you here is called Amanda. And of course, this is from the Gingham Gardens, as I said, the My Mind's Eye collection. All of the pattern papers, so 7 of them, are from that collection. And there's 1 photo play paper in this kit. So this is just a really pretty kind of a beige pattern with a white stripe. Super pretty. And on the back is this just really beautiful pale blue background with the corals, yellows, greens, white flowers, etc. Just a beautiful paper. I love that. This one's called Georgia, and it's a cream background with a little bit of foliage in a black. It's just really pretty, really delicate, and be a really nice background paper. And on the other side is this really pretty plaid. It's got the different tones of blue. It's beautiful. Then there's this birdie paper is this one. And it's just a really pretty light blue gingham. Beautiful, beautiful paper. And on the back is some text. Black text on a cream background. Super pretty. I love that different font. It's flowers, love, home, sunshine, grateful, joy. And then it just repeats. This paper is called Savannah. You actually get 2 sheets of this one. It's a plaid, a kind of a pink plaid on a cream background. And then on the back are these really sweet little florals. You get 2 sheets of that because I have a feeling everybody's going to want to fussy cut this one. This is perfect for fussy cutting. And then, of course, you just get a ton of floral embellishments for your projects that way. So this is a really pretty paper. And then the second sheet of that. This one is called Hannah. And so it's a cream with the plus signs. Really great neutral for a background as well. And on the back is kind of a really pale yellow with a white flower that has a black center. So also a really great piece. This one is called Charlotte, and it's cream with a horizontal dot stripe. And on the back is a diagonal plaid, or buffalo plaid, I guess. And it's kind of a gray blue, greeny gray blue kind of. I don't know. That's a hard color to describe, but it's nice. I like it. It's a really great neutral. And then this is the photo play paper. This one is Traditions, and it's from the We Are Family collection. And it's got just a really neat amount of distressing on it. It's kind of got a ledger paper on it, and then the black florals. Really super pretty. And on the back is a black with a cream dot. So very nice. So those are the pattern papers that are part of the kit. Also in the kit, you get these creative embellishments. And these are chipboard phrases, which are really great for title pieces. Happiness, shine. These are laser cut, sparkle, delight, and beauty. So very nice. So you got 5 of those laser cut wood veneer phrases. Excellent, like I said, for title pieces for your projects. Also, you get the Gingham Gardens 24 double-sided journaling cards. These are really great, not just for pocket scrapbooking, but also for using on any kind of a project, any kind of a scrapbooking layout, really. These can be, you know, an embellishment piece on your project. You could fussy cut these out. You could use the ones that are more of a solid color for layering behind your photos. And then, of course, there's journaling as well. So, Love Grows. It's the Little Things. And then there's a flower on the back of that one. Birds of a Feather. It's got a nest and then journaling spot on the back. It's nice when they're double-sided like that, because if you are using them in pocket pages, then you've got something for both sides of your page. This little house and then the blue gingham on the back together, and this green stripe. Those little florals and the stripe on the back, a floral and an alphabet and a number line. Love makes a house a home, and the journaling lines, the text, that text print again, and some horizontal lines. Here's some sheep, and on the back, hello, with a gingham, and then a green house with that green floral on the back, green and white, I should say, a beehive, and a journaling spot on the back, a square with some florals, and that gold with white florals, journaling spot with the bee, and then a mossy green with a white dot, a bird, journaling spot. Today is a good day for a good day, plus signs, floral, and wish list. That's cool. Best day, and a beige gingham, this wreath, and then it's a good day on the back. Another floral in the blue, find joy in the journey. Another floral and that plaid blue. Top 10 list, 1 to 10 with a bird, and then that diagonal buffalo plaid and a floral with a journaling spot on the back. So those are the 24 double-sided journaling cards from Gingham Gardens. You also get 67 pieces of ephemera in this Gingham Gardens ephemera pack. So this is what you get on the back. It just shows you all of the different bits. You get tags, you get labels, there's die cut shapes, florals, all kinds of things. Bird, phrases, banners, lots of things. Numbers from 1 to 0. So this is right full, 67 pieces, I think it said. Yep. And so you can see they're really nice quality, beautiful die cut pieces. You get some pieces that you could use for titles. What a Wonderful World. And so on. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but you do get a large amount of pieces in here. This is a nice tag. You get a few tags. Jar. More florals. Lots of little bits. So tons of die cut pieces, which is awesome. You also get the circus glitter stickers. There's 55 alphas in here. There's upper and lower case, and they're a gold glitter. And just going to pull this out. There's just one sheet. So there's upper and lower case, gold glitter. You also get the chipboard from Gingham Gardens. And this is a 2-sheet chipboard, so it's not just one. You get both of these, and you get all kinds of pieces like these, this really pretty floral. You get some phrases, banner, birds, heart, and some phrases again here, blessings, delightful, and so on. So that is good value as well. You get 43 chipboard elements in those 2 sheets of chipboard. Another thing I wanted to mention is that if you purchase a kit or you purchase an add-on in the shop, you're also eligible to get the exclusive cut files. And I can't even remember how many there are this month, but it's a lot. I want to say something like 8 or 10 different cut files. It's quite a few. Don't quote me on that, but I feel like I downloaded quite a few off of the site, and I know that this is one for sure. It's beautiful, and I've cut it in a few different sizes here, but it's just a bouquet of flowers, and I thought that it would just look so nice with the Gingham Garden collection. I know that there's a wreath and there's some other floral pieces. There's a background cut file and so on and so forth. There's some really gorgeous cut files that have been exclusively designed to go along with this April kit. So I just wanted to share the kit with you today. Make sure that you check in the description box below all of the information about My Creative Scrapbook official kit club. Make sure you hop over to their website and check out the subscription prices and all of the options there on the site. And I love the kits. I think they're always really beautiful. They're put together so nicely and they're a lot of fun to work with. So thanks so much for stopping by today, and I will see you another time. And I am going to be creating a bunch of layouts with this kit this month, so watch for those videos up on my channel. I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.